As we age, our bodies go through a variety of changes, one of which is the gradual weakening of our muscles, particularly in the legs. Sarcopenia, or a loss of muscle strength, can cause mobility issues, balance problems, and an increased risk of falling. Weak leg muscles can make daily tasks like climbing stairs, standing for long periods of time, and even walking more difficult, reducing independence and overall quality of life. Although aging is unavoidable, muscle loss does not have to be permanent. Regular physical activity and a healthy diet can help preserve leg strength and prevent further deterioration. Nutrition is essential for muscle health, since the body needs specialized nutrients to repair, maintain, and strengthen muscles. By include these nutrient-dense foods in your regular diet, you can help your body's natural ability to stay active. You can remain mobile and self-sufficient well into your retirement years. But here's the kicker. One of these foods is extremely potent. It has been demonstrated to boost muscle strength by up to 30% in just a few weeks. Which is it? You will have to keep watching to find out. Trust me, once you've learned about these 7 essential foods, you'll never look at your grocery list the same again. Are you ready to gain control of your leg strength and improve your mobility? Let's dive in. Before we continue, if you found this article useful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. This helps more people discover the channel. This content is intended for informative purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always get personalized nutritional advice from a healthcare practitioner or a qualified dietitian. Now we will arrange our list from 7 to 1. 7 walnuts. Have you ever pondered how these tiny brain-shaped nuts could benefit our aging population? Let's begin with an unexpected fact. Did you know that walnuts are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids? That's correct. These nutty powerhouses are rich in nutrients that can benefit our bodies as we age. First, let's discuss about the omega-3s. These fatty acids act as a calming salve for our muscles. They aid to reduce inflammation, which is a prevalent problem among many elderly. Less inflammation equals less discomfort and increased mobility, but that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids also help to prevent muscle loss as people get older. Imagine them as little bodyguards who defend our muscles from the impacts of time. Now let us go on to another walnut superstar. Walnuts are high in magnesium, which is beneficial to our muscles. Magnesium allows our muscles to contract appropriately. It's similar to being the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that everything works in harmony. This is especially essential for seniors because it can reduce muscle spasms and enhance general muscle function. But wait, there's more. Walnuts are also rich in protein and healthy fats. These nutrients are essential for maintaining consistent energy throughout the day. For elders, this means less fatigue and greater energy for daily tasks. The protein in walnuts also aids muscle upkeep and repair. Think of it as the foundation for strong, healthy muscles. Now let us discuss about antioxidants. Walnuts are high in antioxidants. They work like small shields, shielding our muscles from free radical injury. This is especially advantageous for elders since it can aid in muscle rehabilitation following exercise or daily activities. But this is when things become really fascinating. Walnuts are beneficial for more than simply muscles. They also promote bone health. A study published in the journal Nutrients discovered that walnuts may aid in bone growth in older persons. The researchers observed that some chemicals and walnuts could boost the growth of osteoblasts, which are responsible for the formation of new bone structure. Another study, published in the Journal of Medicine and Food, found that walnut consumption was connected with improved bone density in aged women. This is critical because, as we age, our bones grow more weak. Stronger bones reduce the incidence of fractures and improve general mobility. So, how do seniors incorporate walnuts into their everyday diets? It's simpler than you might imagine. A handful of walnuts makes an excellent snack on its own. You can also sprinkle them over your morning yogurt or porridge. They are great in salads, providing a great crunch and nutty flavor for individuals who adore smoothies. Adding a few walnuts can improve both the nutrition and the taste.